welcome back to Cruising as Crew. I hope you are well. Me and my shops team have been invited to have dinner at the Wake restaurant. So currently we do not have passengers on. I understand that by the time this actually goes live we might have passengers on, but at the moment we don't. So the restaurants are inviting certain departments to visit so they can stress test before sailors come on board, and I am so excited. If anyone has been watching for a while, you guys know I love my food, and the Wake is up there with one of the best restaurants I have ever been to. I got the chance to go last year in 2020 when I was on board, so I'm super excited that I'm gonna get to go again with my buddies. But I've just finished work, I'm gonna have a shower and get ready because I have about an hour and a half before I need to be there. But I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I'm going to enjoy eating the food. I was asking questions about the Wake today because obviously we're going there for dinner, and apparently to be a chef in the Wake you have to have been a chef for a minimum of 3 years in a Michelin star restaurant, so it's gonna be good. I think I am done. I'm not going to bother putting any lipstick on because I'm going to wear a mask, so there's no point. Okay, so now we are trying on the outfit. I know that the lighting isn't great, but it's all I can do. So we've got this red dress, which is okay. We have this wrap dress, which, if I'm honest, I feel the most comfortable in. You can't really see. It's like black and brown print, so this is an option. Or we have this one, which is lovely, but now I put it on it's very officey, so maybe not. Okay, so this is the one that I'm going to go for because this is the one that I feel most comfortable in. And then I've got my dangly earrings in and my hair's done. I'm ready to go. I'm absolutely ravenous. So ready for dinner and really excited.
You're the best out of all of them. I read every letter you sent, even when you left town again. Been through hell and then back again. And you're never too serious. They think that you sleep too much, but they don't know you like I do. Wanna sit here and talk with you, as if nothing else mattered.
The bells on the ceiling.
As if nothing else mattered.
So beautiful. So we've just got sat down at the Wake and it's all very, very fancy. I'm here with Owen and Ray. We're the first here. We're super eager.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening to everyone.
As if nothing else mattered.
All the other shoppies have arrived. We've been divided into groups of 4. So we've just been given some delicious looking bread with garlic butter.
I believe it's garlic butter.
Woo!
Butter.
Some kind of butter.
Some kind of butter. It's butter. That's all we need.
It's butter.
Don't get those numbers up. Those are really numbers at the moment.
Can we grow? This is home. As if nothing else matters. Can we fly? You've got time, and I've got miles. I've got miles.
Waking up feeling like it's gonna rain. It's sunny out, but it just comes in waves.
So the starters have come. The boys have both gone for clam chowder, is it?
Razor clam chowder.
Wow. Looks very good.
I'm a what?
And I've got the salad, and this looks absolutely fantastic.
The color in my dreams. When you ask me if I'm okay, I don't have a lot to say. Can't tell you something I do not know. Maybe just hold
salmon has just come. Hey. And then the boys have gone for the steak. Which one did you go for?
It's a filet mignon with roasted garlic.
Filet mignon with roasted garlic. Oh wow! And then we've got the sides. Thank you so
sliced
much.
baked potato, French fries, some asparagus with ribeye sauce, creamy spinach.
Thank you.
Lovely.
So it's like sharing concept of those. You can help yourself and enjoy, please.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Cheers.
Oh wow! Ah, amazing.
Yeah.
So amazing.
How can I tell you something I do not know? Maybe just hold me, just hold me. I'm coming back slowly, so slowly. And you ask if I'm always this lonely. How can I tell you something I do not know?
So our dessert has just come. I ordered the wake, which is like chocolate mousse, and then Owen and Ray ordered the lemon cheesecake, and it actually looks like a little lemon. Fantastic.
Flowers start to bloom, just like me and you. And I feel a change. Letting the light shine in, my patience wearing thin.
It sounds like it's strong as well.
Just wave at it like a normal person. I'm going to put that in, you know. This is my manager. This is my manager.
Baby, can you feel my heartbeat loud? And it's something different. Don't know what to call it. It's something different. And I think I'm falling, and I can't find what's to this.
So we've come outside to Crew Bar, but thunder and lightning, I think we're just gonna go to bed. So just finished dinner, and we were all gonna go for like a drink after, but as you saw, thunder and lightning outside, and currently the bars that are open for Crew are outside, so we're thinking not to sit in thunder and lightning, so we're just gonna call it an early night. Had a lovely dinner, gonna concentrate on digesting my food. So just got back. I am so full, but like a nice full, you know, like I'm not really uncomfortable. I'm a good full. But you have to promise me, if you are coming on board the Scarlet Lady, you have to go to the wake during your like 4 or 5 days on board. It is just incredible. And I know there's like so many amazing restaurants on board, but the wake is something else. So as I said, all the shoppies got invited to a restaurant because they're stress testing, but some shop staff were invited to the wake, some were invited to the test kitchen, some were invited to another restaurant. And I've got to say, as much as I love the other restaurants, I was really happy that I got the wake because, I mean, as you saw, just absolutely incredible food. And I had such a lovely time with Owen and Ray, so really lovely night. But I hope that you enjoyed coming along with me to the wake, guys. If you did, then press a like and subscribe. And if you have any video suggestions or anything you would like to see, any questions, then you can leave them in the comments down below, or you can DM me over on Instagram at CruisingAsCrew. But I'm going to go to bed now and focus on digesting my food because I'm stuffed. But thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.